Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Snoopy from Peanuts as an Among Us character. So, this one could be super easy, simple, for beginners, okay? It's aimed right at beginners, so if you haven't drawn in like years or ever, you will be able to do this. I'm going to be using this, a Crayola brand marker, and I'm going to be using regular printing paper, and straight out of the printer. You can just watch, by the way, you don't have to do it, but I do recommend that you do it with me, it'd be fun. And it's also going to be short. I like to keep these below 10 minutes so that within 10 minutes you'll have, you'll know how to draw something at the very end of it. So, let's get into it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curved line over here for the Among Us viewport. Curve down here. It's going to be a little bit thinner one for Snoopy. Curve back. Curve up here. So that's the shape of my viewport, where normally, like Among Us, crewmates have like a pillow-shaped one. I'm using a little bit different. It's a little bit more like a glasses kind of coverings. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button when you subscribe, and you have to click that bell notification because, excuse me, when you click that bell notification, what it's going to do is every day I post, you're going to see a little tiny thumbnail among all your other thumbnails on your feed, and it's going to let you know what I'm drawing that day. So it'll give you a choice, kind of like, oh, okay, I want to draw that today, or you're like, nah, not today. So that basically subscribing and doing that gives you a choice every day of whether you want to do it. So that's why I encourage it. Also helps the algorithm out, etc. Going over here for the nose, Snoopy's epic nose. They made a new Peanuts cartoon on, I forgot what it was. I saw it. It was pretty cool. It was like, I forgot what it was called, honestly, but it was really good. I really liked it. Curve over here. Down over here. Curve over here. Snoopy is, like, I have such an affinity for that character, and such an affinity for Peanuts. I gotta do more of it on this channel. I am such a gigantic fan of Peanuts. And I will, keeping it alive, because I mean, it did end, I believe, in 2000. So, but I mean, it's still, the spirit of it still seems to be around. They just made a new show, so that's pretty awesome. The nose here, and I'm gonna fill in that nose, dark. Pulling in. Line over here for Snoopy's collar. Line over here for Snoopy's back. Over here for the front. A little bit more here, and then line over here for the tail. Down here for one leg. Oh, I forgot to go up here. Basically, on the inside of this, it'd be a good idea to fill this in, like completely fill it in with dark. Because Snoopy's a beagle, and his ear is dark like that. Line over here. Out. Out over here are these little lumps. They look kind of like, I don't know what they look like dinner rolls. His feet. And pulling up. Line here, line here, line here, line here for the paws. Down here, curve back and up. Line here, line here. Gonna draw a dark shape because he has a pattern on his back. And I mean, like so. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'm gonna continue here with the backpack. The backpack's right here. Down, in. So you got that crewmate backpack. And I want to add something else here. What else can I add? What can be in his hand? I guess it could be an imposter. Should I make him an imposter? I will not. I will not make him an imposter this time. It would be fun, but I'm not. I'm just gonna draw his hand over here. A little pause. Just sticking his hand out. No imposter for Snoopy right now. And could put a smile on there, but you know what? I'm not gonna do that. I think it makes him look cooler if he doesn't have that smile on there. So I'm gonna curve over here, back. As you can tell, by the way, I'm gonna throw like a thicker liner on the contour. But another thing you can tell is that this is Snoopy with features of an Among Us character, not an Among Us character with features of Snoopy. So that's kind of, what I'm going for. So again, it's more Snoopy turned into Among Us as opposed to an Among Us character turned Snoopy. I want to do a Charlie Brown Friday Night Funkin' one. I really want to do that. I'm probably going to do that within the week. I think that sounds like a funny idea. And let me see. Yeah, kind of like that. I'm going to kind of fix some lines here. So, basically, go check out the stuff in the description. I put a lot of work into that. It's a lot of goodies, basically. It's like playlists to stuff that you might like on the channel. It's all free. The only thing that's, well, there's also a cute drawing ebook where you learn how to draw something cute, and that is on, on there. So you can kind of learn to draw cute stuff. That is over there. That ebook is totally free. It's meant for beginners. And let me know what you think of it. It's totally free right now. The other thing is I also have a hour-long drawing sessions, and that's on Skillshare. That's like how to draw a dragon, how to draw anatomy, a little bit more realistic stuff. If you want to learn to draw realistic, go to my Skillshare. That is, I think, free when you sign up. When you sign up, it gives you, I think you have to be the first few something people that signs up through the link in the description, and it'll give you about 2 months free. And doing that, it's gonna really, you'll really level up your art skill if that's what you want to do entirely. It's really how to draw more like realistic and things of that sort. So if you're into that, go to that link. It's free. They're very big on quality as well. They'll delete programs on Skillshare they don't like. So I mean, they're very big on quality, even more than YouTube. So I mean, YouTube's kind of back and forth. That's it. I'm Enrique. See you later, easies. Say hi to me in the comment sections. Say my name too. Say, hey, what's up, Enrique? How's it going? And I'll know that you saw this whole video. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you next time.